tell you
about Pakistan.
Okay, Shayan. Loudly.
Qaid-e-Azam is founder of Pakistan.
Abrish. Very good. Ayla. Yes.
Pakistan national flag.
Very good. Noor Mustafa.
Hello, my name is Mustafa.
Pakistan's
Pakistan flag
national game.
national game is hockey.
Very good. Abdul Bari. Loudly. Yes. Yes. Pakistan's national bird is chakor. Okay. Yes. Yes. What is the national game of Pakistan? Hockey. Okay. Who will tell me who is the founder of Pakistan? Qaid-e-Azam. What is the color of Pakistan's flag? White and green. And tell me the name of national bird. Chakor. Yes. Very good. And national flower? Jasmine. Do you know national flower का color क्या है? What is the color? White. Very good.